Let's see if I can handle the ultimate challenge, surviving a tornado hitting my house. Stay tuned for some essential survival tips. Tornadoes can reach wind speeds of over 300 miles per hour, causing massive destruction. It's a sobering thought, and one that should grab our attention. Tornadoes are unpredictable and can strike at any moment, catching us off guard. They can bring entire communities to their knees, leaving destruction and chaos in their wake. The threat of a tornado is very real, and it's essential that we're prepared. When a tornado hits a house, the consequences can be devastating. The sheer force of the winds can cause roofs to collapse, walls to crumble, and windows to shatter. The structural integrity of the house is compromised, putting everyone inside at risk of serious injury or even death. And if that's not frightening enough, the chaos that follows can be just as deadly, with power lines down, gas leaks, and debris scattered everywhere. Furthermore, the emotional toll of surviving such a disaster can be just as crippling. The fear, the anxiety, and the uncertainty can linger long after the storm has passed. Moreover, the aftermath of a tornado can also bring its own set of challenges, such as displacement, loss of belongings, and disruption to daily life. It's a scenario that's difficult to imagine, but one that we must prepare for nonetheless. When a tornado hits, every second counts. You need to know exactly what to do to stay safe, and that's where having a plan comes in. Having a plan in place can mean the difference between life and death. It's crucial to identify the safest rooms in your house, which are usually basements or interior rooms on the lowest floor, away from windows and outside walls. These rooms should be your go-to places in case of a tornado warning. Additionally, knowing the evacuation routes and emergency shelters in your area can also be a lifesaver. Seeking shelter is only the first step. You should also prepare an emergency kit with essential items such as non-perishable food, bottled water, first aid supplies, and a battery-powered radio. This kit can be a beacon of hope in the aftermath of a disaster, providing you with the necessities to survive until help arrives. Moreover, designate a meeting place for your family members in case you get separated during the storm. This can be a trusted neighbor's house, a local school, or any other safe location that's easy to find. Having a meeting place can reduce the risk of panic and confusion, and ensure that everyone is accounted for. Staying informed is also critical. Sign up for emergency alerts from your local weather service, and keep a battery-powered radio on hand in case the power goes out. Knowing when a tornado warning has been issued can give you precious minutes to seek shelter and protect yourself. Furthermore, having a whistle or other signaling device can help you signal for help if you're trapped in debris. Remember, being prepared for a tornado is not just about having a plan, it's about being proactive and staying informed. By knowing the risks, having a plan in place, and staying alert, you can significantly increase your chances of survival. Don't wait until it's too late, take the necessary steps to prepare for a tornado today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you're interested in more emergency preparedness tips, be sure to check out my other videos. And if you have a tornado survival story or tip, share it with me in the comments section below.